Hey guys, this is Astronomical Thoughts, where I discuss cool ways of thinking about astronomy phenomena. And sorry I've not posted in a while, but recently I came across an article that I wanted to share. So it's on space.com by Mike Wall, and it discusses two satellites that recently came very close to crashing into each other. One was a Russian spy satellite, which was launched in 1981, and the other is called Genesis 2, which was launched in 2007. Both satellites are space junk, and so they're not sending any data back to Earth, and they are of no use. And they should be taken down, but there is no way to take them down. They don't have any rockets attached to them to get them back on Earth. When they were launched, they had rockets, but they were detached while getting the satellite into proper orbit. And for the satellite that was launched in 2007, the plan is for it to eventually slow down as it hits particles from the Earth's atmosphere. And as it slows down and loses speed, it's going to fall towards Earth. And as it collides with more and more atmosphere particles, it is going to heat up and burn into the atmosphere. And I'm going to show a video that gives you a sense of the crowdedness in space.
For 60 years, we have launched satellites, spacecraft, and astronauts into space. As a result, the Earth is surrounded by a cloud of debris. There are more than 18,000 objects being tracked from the ground, at least 750,000 fragments of around €1 in size, and millions of pieces that are smaller. Only 1,100 are functional spacecraft.
And all these satellites are traveling at around the speed of 11 kilometers per second. And to give you some perspective, bullets from some of the most powerful rifles travel at around only 1 kilometer per second. And the problem with these collisions is that the crash between two satellites will create several hundred other small pieces, and then those pieces will crash into other satellites and create even more debris. As a matter of fact, in 2009, two satellites collided, and just that impact created 1,800 other new pieces of debris. And scientists are thinking of attaching rockets to the satellites. So when we don't need the satellites, we can bring them back to Earth. But I doubt that will catch on because it will be really expensive to do that. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.